Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for subscribing. How are you all doing? Hope you're well. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this sweet and tangy pickled red daikon radish. Not only does pickled red daikon radish provide a burst of flavor, but it also offers numerous health benefits such as fiber, vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. This delightful pickle can contribute to a balanced and nutritious diet. Now, let's start with the ingredients. Over here, I've got my star anise and a small sized cinnamon stick. I've got my rice vinegar, sugar, a glass of water, 3 medium-sized red daikon radish, and a glass jar. Here's an overview of what I'll be using in this video. Next, I'm going to make the pickling solution by transferring the rice vinegar, star anise, and cinnamon sticks, salt, sugar, and water into a pan and cook on low heat. I'll cook it on low heat until the sugar and salt are fully dissolved. As the red daikon radish has a slightly sweet taste, I thought to pair it with cinnamon stick and star anise as they go really well with slightly sweet vegetables. Now that the sugar and salt are fully dissolved, I'll give it a quick stir and turn off the cooker and set it aside. These are the radishes. I've peeled them off camera. Now I'm gonna start cutting the radish. I'll start by slicing them into two lengthwise and slice them sideways into halves. Now that I'm done slicing the radishes, this is what they look like. Next, I'll transfer the radishes into the jar. I'll keep the jar as tightly packed as possible. Now that the jar is packed to my satisfaction, I'll add the pickling solution. I'm gonna put in the star anise and the cinnamon stick for that extra flavor. Next, I'm gonna screw on the lid. Look at that gorgeous color. As the pickling solution was still hot while I was transferring it into the jar, I'll leave the jar on the kitchen counter to cool down. Then I'll transfer it into the refrigerator once it's cooled down. This jar of pickled radish can be consumed immediately, but for a nice and flavorful radish, it's best to let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple of days as the flavors from the sugar, salt, vinegar, cinnamon stick, and star anise would have infused into every radish slice. Now it's 6 days later and it's time for a taste test, my favorite part. Just take a look at that gorgeousness. Now let's open up the jar. I'll take out a few slices. Here's what the slices look like. Now I'll try a few slices. It was delicious, so crunchy and flavorful. I'm sure you can tell how pleased I am from the smile on my face.
So good.
The star anise and the cinnamon is well infused into the slices, which I'm happy about. One great thing about pickled radishes is that they're very versatile and can be eaten in different ways. Here, I added some to my salad and the result was amazing. Another great thing about pickled or fermented vegetable is that the brine or pickling solution can be added to salad dressings. The dressing which I made for this salad was very simple. I used 1 avocado, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, and half a cup of pickling solution, and it was simply amazing. So remember, don't throw away your brine or pickling solution after you've consumed the vegetable. You can always find a good use for it. So I guess we've come to the end of this video. If you've enjoyed watching this video or found it useful, please subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to click the notification bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section and you can find the full recipe in the description box below. Take care of yourself. See you next time. Bye.